Welcome to C# programming for beginner class. This is my 9th video, and in this video I will talk about C# instance variable or non-static variable. So this topic is also related to the variable scopes. So instance variables are those variables that are declared inside the class but outside the function. And these variables are accessed inside the any function that are included in the same class. So in the same class, any function can be accessed these variables. And these variables are created when the object of the class created and destroyed when the object is destroyed. So we can also use the access specifiers with these variables. So like private, public, protected. These are a little advanced topic, so we will discuss all these in our next class that will be little advanced in C#. This is the beginner class, so just this is for familiar to the instance variable, local variables in these all. So as I told us that local state variable instance variables are declared inside the class but outside the function. So let's see how we can declare, how we can create the instance variable. So let's come to the Visual Studio. So as you can see, we have a demo class inside the demo project. So we will create here a string variable by the name of name, and I will assign the value. I will assign my name to this name variable. And I will declare one other integer variable. I will assign the value. So you can see I declared these two variables. One is string by the name of name, and another is age, that is data type is integer, and I also assigned the values for these two variables. So these variables are declared inside the class, but it's outside the function. So these variables are called the instance variable. So we said that we can access these variables inside the function, any function that are included in the same class. So we want to create the function public void access variable. So we will create the function, and we want to access these variables inside this function. So we will create, okay, let me access these variables. Console dot write line and name concatenate name, and you can see we can access the name variable inside the access variable function, and we can also access the age variable. Console dot write line and then age concatenate age. See, we can access the age variable too, and we want to create a new function by the name of public void. We will name the function only access. So let me see, can I access these variables in another function. So let me console dot write line and name and console dot write line age. So you can see I can access both variable in both function. So we can access these instance variable in any function that are inside the same demo class. So this is called the instance variable or non-static variable that are declared inside the class but outside the function, and these variables are accessed in any function that are inside the same function. same class. So let me access these variables. Let me show the variables and let me call the function inside the main function. So let me first create the object of the demo class. Obj equal to new obj, and let me obj dot. First I will access the access variable class. So I will run the function, the program. So you can see I access the name is Sikandar Zafe, age is 23, and why it shows like that, because we access the access variable function inside the main function, and therefore the console the boot of variable inside the our main function. So let me see, can I access the access function only? So I will access the access function only, obj.access. So you can see Sikandar Safe and age 33. So it's because we didn't write as a string like name or age, so it access only name and age. So you can see what is the instance variable, how we can create it, and where we can access these variables. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, you can comment below in comment section. So see you next video.